Hello and welcome to this course, Master Strategic Thinking and Problem-Solving Skills. In front of you, you have 20 strategic thinking and problem-solving skills strategies. And what I've done is divide them into core categories. These are decision-making, conflict resolution, product analysis, and strategic thinking. The table in front of you helps you organize these. So in the case of a scenario in which you need to use them, you can always come back and see which of these strategies most apply to you. In addition to the table, you also have at the bottom of your sheet each of these strategies in alphabetical order that we are going to cover in this course. And these can be seen at the bottom. The remainder of this course will actually go through each of these. In each sheet, you will see both the explanation as well as activities that we are going to cover that help you use these and apply these to your daily life. I look forward to seeing you in the rest of the course as we go through these.